Okay, this is why we go check, because I didn't double it. I only doubled the starter. I normally use that when I have it like in my phone on that app I use, and I'll just put like double and it just does it for me and I don't have to do math myself. And so apparently I forgot how to math. Okay, so I'm going up to 640. I always go over on the water. It went from 639 to 643 with that last splash. Seems fake, huh, Lou?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, 640. Okay, so then it also has salt in it, and so my mom took a sourdough class that they said this real salt brand is what it just has like good flavor. You can use table salt. This is just like more flavorful. My mom has looked many places, and for some reason Smith's is the cheapest over Amazon and Walmart even. You can get these bags for the cheapest there. Anyway, so I'm gonna do 20 grams of salt. And then I'm gonna do, hey, just don't knock into that. My bread flour, which is 860 grams. Okay, sorry, I feel like this is super boring, but this is literally what you do.
This is gonna be so good. I love you, Mama.
I love you too. Okay, got a little too much. Okay, there we go. So then that's it. That's all the ingredients in it. So this is called like a Danish whisk or something. My mom gave this to me. It's like a popular thing that people use to mix up their sourdough. My mom said, like the reason she gave it to me, because she always makes like 4 loaves, and she said this little one can't handle it, and she always ends up using her hands anyway, so she just uses her hands for all of it. I do like to use it, but like it's not necessary. So okay, so yeah, this is just a watery flour substance, and I'm just gonna kind of keep mixing this until it's like all together, but it's not going to look like a smooth dough on this first step. Let me get the scale. It has the term shaggy, which is what it is gonna look like, but you just are gonna do your best to incorporate it together. And then so it's really not a lot of like kneading, like so like you can see as it's like starting to come together, but it's still very like lumpy. You can see like it's not smooth. It seems like too dry almost for like what a bread would be, but that's like what you want. You want it like this. You just want to try your best to like scrape it all off the bottom, that it's like all mixed together. Okay, so like that's it right there. So then I just get as much of it off of here that I can, and that's the most challenging step, the most time-consuming step. That, and probably when you like form it into the loaves. But so I was like, I don't know what my other video was, about 10 minutes probably. So now what I do is you can put it back in your oven with the light on for that constant temperature, but like you kind of come back to it it's like between 15 minutes to an hour. And you come back like 3 or 4 times. So it's not like exact. It's fine to like sit a little bit longer, but you're gonna come back and do what is called stretches and folds. So like, here's how it is right now. And when you come back, you'll see already as I start to fold it, and I'll like show you what that means, that it already starts looking a lot smoother. So while I just let it sit on my counter, and I do cover it with just like a clean towel, and just let it sit here, go do my thing. So I still am gonna go put this discard too in just a jar, and I just kind of build it up until I use it. So I think that's everything for right now.